And next topic is decoders. In decoders, what is an decoder? What is decoder? Decoder is a combinational circuit. It consists of n number of inputs and produces the 2 power of n number of outputs. Okay, this is the reverse operation of the encoder. In decoder, we are using the n number of inputs and produces the 2 power of n number of outputs. The inputs are n and outputs are 2 power of n number of the outputs. Coming to the block diagram of decoder. Block diagram of decoder. Okay. In decoder, we are using the n number of inputs and produces the 2 power of n number of outputs. This is decoder. We are using the n number of inputs. This is A0, A1 up to AN. These are the n number of inputs and produces the 2 power of n number of outputs. D0 to Dn. 2 power of n number of outputs. This is the block diagram of decoder. In decoder, we are using the first one is 2 to 4 decoder and second one is the 3 to 8 decoder. Okay, I will explain the first one, 2 to 4 decoder. Write down the 2 to 4 block diagram. In 2 to 4 decoder, we are using the 2 inputs and produces the 4 outputs. And next see the second one, 3 to 8 decoder. In this 3 inputs and 8 outputs. Okay, first we draw and see the block diagram of 2 to 4 decoder. Okay, here 2 inputs A and B and 4 outputs D0, D1, D2 and this is D3. Okay, 2 inputs and 4 outputs and this is the 2 by 4 decoder. Okay, and next see the truth table. Truth table for 2 to 4 decoder. In this inputs are consider A and B. Okay, and outputs are D0 and D1, D2 and D3. These are the 4 outputs, 2 inputs. Okay, in 2 inputs produces the 4 combinations. They are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, if you given the input is 0, 0, then output is appears the D0 and remaining all are zeros. Okay, if you given the input is 0, 1, that is this is the input and output is appears at D1 and remaining all are zeros. And next given the input is 1, 0. 1, 0 is the binary number and appears at D2. Okay, D2 output is 1 and remaining all are zeros. And next given the input is 1 1. 1 1 is the given input and remaining all are zeros. The 1 1 is appears at D3. This is the truth table for 2/4 decoder. Okay, and 1 is appears at 0 0 D0, 0 1 D1, 1 0 D2 and 1 1 D3. This is the binary number and produces the D0 output. Okay, next find out the Boolean equation. Here the outputs are D0. D0 output. What is the input here? This is A is 0, B is also 0. That is A bar, B bar. And next D2 output. D1 output. In D1 output, what is the given input? 0, 1. 0 is A bar, B. Okay, and next D2. In D2, what is the binary bits? A, B bar. A, B bar. And next D3. D3 output is D3 output is appears at 1 1. That is A, B. These are the Boolean equations. And next draw the logic diagram. Logic diagram for 2 to 4 decoder. Logic diagram. In here in truth table we are using the inputs are A and B. And here A is in Boolean equation A bar is indicates. So we draw the NOT gate also. And next B input and draw the NOT gate also. And AB are the inputs. Okay, and next D0 output. What are the connections here? A bar and B bar. A bar and B bar. This output is here the logic gate is AND logic. This is D0 output. And next D1 A bar B. A bar B. This is AND gate. D1 output. And next D2. D2 is essentially A B bar. A B bar. This is draw the AND gate. And this output is D2. And next output is D3. D3 is A B. A and B. This is also the AND gate. And this is D3 output. Here we are using the 2/4 decoder. 2 inputs and produces the 4 outputs. Okay. This is the overall about the decoders. And like this we written the 3/8 decoder. In 3/8 decoder we considering the 3 inputs and 8 outputs. Coming to the block diagram, 3 inputs D0 to D7 are the 8 outputs, and here A, B, C are the inputs and outputs are D0 to D7. Like this Boolean equation we can write the D0 to A bar, B bar, C bar, and 1 D1 A bar, B bar, B and C bar. Okay, like this we draw the logic diagram for 3 to 8 decoders. Okay, this is overall about the encoders and decoders topic.